Hey guys, Diecast Direct. Today we're taking a look at my Hot Wheels Lamborghini collection. Let's get right into the video. Now these are some of my best and most favorite loose Hot Wheels Lamborghinis. I have a bunch of Lamborghinis still in the packaging, carded, brand new in the box. And if you want me to do a review on those, then I want you guys to go and right now go and hit the like button, 30 likes, and I'll do a video on those. But the reason you came here is probably to see this, and so let's get right into the video. Now starting us off is the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Estoque in this nice silver paint job. It looks absolutely amazing, and in real life this car was never made. I actually have no idea why. Next up we have this Lamborghini Veneno or Veneno. Obviously, however you pronounce it, it's totally up to you, and you can see it has this nice white stripe going down the middle. Let's see what we have next. Now we have the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Super Trofeo, a car that is built for the track. Not Hot Wheels track, real life. This car is made just for the track. I'm not even sure if it's road legal. Like that's how badly it is made for the track. On the top there you can see nice 63. And I did an unboxing on this car if you want to check it out. Very first link in the description. Let's see what we have next. Next up, we have the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Urus, a car that is coming out next year, 2019, and I am super pumped to see this one on the road. Hot Wheels made a great job with this one, but I believe they could have made it better. Underneath that model is the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and take a look at this in this super nice neon green paint job. I absolutely love it. I cannot stand this paint job. I love it so much. At the bottom you can see Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This car, I can't even describe it in words. Let's take a look at what we have next. Next up is the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Gallardo 560. Now I actually have a fun fact for you guys. 560 means the horsepower on this car, and this car is called Lamborghini Gallardo 564. 4 means it's all-wheel drive. 560 means 560 horsepower. It's a pretty cool fact that I found out a couple years ago, and even to this day I'm still pretty shocked. The next two I have here are the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Countages, and these are both different variations, both in the color blue. One has gold tires, the other has silver. They look identical except this one is older, this one is newer. I don't know which one is better, so guys, go ahead, comment below which one you think is better, and let me know, because I'd honestly love to hear what you have to say. And let's take a look at some more cars. Now let's take a look at the Lamborghini Murcielago. Since we're taking a look at the blue Lamborghinis, this is a very nice one. It's obviously discontinued. Hot Wheels doesn't make this. Well, actually they did reprint it this year, it looks like that. But other than that, Hot Wheels doesn't make this anymore. I believe they might be reprinting it, but I'm not even sure. Look at that, we forgot to take a look at the Lamborghini Aventador J. This is a factory error because I got this out of a 5-pack. It was a Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack with the Pagani, the Lotus, the Porsche, the Alfa Romeo, and this. I'm pretty sure those are all the cars in it. If I'm wrong, just let me know. Anyways, I got this one out of the 5-pack and I was not happy. But what can you do? It's a nice looking casting. Two cars left. We'll take a look at the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Reventon. This one is one of Hot Wheels' cars that kind of wasn't as popular as they thought it would be. Hot Wheels released this a few years back and they thought it would be really popular, but it actually wasn't that popular. And they actually made this car also in a non-convertible version too. That's pretty cool. Lastly, we have the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Aventador. And there's actually a reason why this Aventador is here. That's because it's my first Hot Wheels Aventador. And I find it that this matte color is super attractive. And it just matches the Lamborghini. It makes it look a lot better. Thank you for watching the video. Remember, 30 likes and I'll show you all of my brand new Hot Wheels Lamborghinis. So go right now and hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. All your support really counts. That one subscriber, that one subscriber. Guys, listen, 1 subscriber really makes a difference. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.
Keep an all black outfit on. I already bagged most of the chicks that you out here trying to get on. You just catching up to what I've been on. Yeah, that's what I've been on.
I see what you're trying to do. That's not even kinda new. That's that shit I've been on.